Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Frostbore whale shark in Heartopia. So to catch the Frostbore fish, you need to join a Frostbore fish event. And here I've invited by one of the other players, and once you've been invited, you can just go to the event locations and don't forget to start cast your fishing rod, and you can just throw your rod into the water and just wait until the fish caught it. And if you think it's not the best location, you can also switch places like this. And in here I fish in this, like, I don't know, this there's a mark like this, and this is, I think, the best spot to catch the Frostbore fish. So there are two kind: Frostbore whale shark and also the seahorse. And in here the fish are, of course, is a little hard to catch because it's a special fish, so you can just try your best. Don't let the fishing rod snap. You need to hold it as long as possible, and when the rod turns red, don't forget to let go a little bit and long press on it again until you successfully catch the fish. Okay, I think it's a little bit more. Okay, let's try one more time, and that's it. Now I got the Frostbore whale shark. So that's all from me. I hope the simple tips will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.